Welcome to another shelf-stable recipe collab. It always happens on the first Tuesday of the month, so December is no exception. But you know, I thought for December, maybe I'd see how to make a quick dessert using pantry staples. So I did a little research and I decided to make more of an American version of Burfi, which is a traditional Indian treat. It's kind of a milk powder fudge. And it uses ingredients that I have in my pantry and I bet you have in your pantry. It's just milk powder, sugar, and then ghee, or in this case, I'm using peanut butter. And the neat thing about milk powder fudge is it can be made in a lot of different combinations. You can make it straight, you can add some flavoring like vanilla, some little pistachio nuts, coconut, or cocoa, make a chocolate Burfi. Or what I'm doing today is making a two-layer. The bottom layer is peanut butter milk powder fudge, and then the top is a chocolate layer. So come along with me. Well, I want to thank all of those in the collab today making a recipe. We have Tuli Lou Creates, Crazy Days, Diane the Canning Nana, Fermented Homestead, Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, In the Kitchen with Karen, Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen, Linda's Pantry, Mennonite Farmhouse, Sutton's Days, and me, Prepper Potpourri. You can put in your recipe binder, and if you don't have the actual cover page, I have a link down below, and I have a link to this recipe down below. And in that recipe link, I'm showing how to make traditional Burfi, how to make various variations, just a recipe you can really have fun with and make it your own. Need a cup of peanut butter. You could use chunky if you want to. A half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of milk powder. I use the dry whole milk. I believe that makes a better fudge. And we're going to need a fourth cup of milk, which you can easily make from your milk powder. And you want to have your dish ready here with parchment paper so it's ready to go. Let's get started. So we want to add our sugar to our pan and our milk. And then stir it up really well. Allow that sugar to melt into the milk. Ooh, that's pretty good. Now let's go to the burner on our stove. Now we're just going to keep stirring this till it comes up to boil. I have it on a very low medium. So when it starts boiling, I'll come back. Okay, we're getting a boil. We're going to add our peanut butter. All out. It's pretty good. We're gonna stir this in. Get mixed really well. Okay, we got it mixed in, and we're going to cook it for about 3 minutes. And you really want to stir this continuously. Just don't leave your pot on the stove, because this could burn relatively easy. See how nice and creamy it is? Okay, it's now time to add our milk powder. And we're going to probably cook it for about 4 minutes. Depends when it starts to kind of leave the pan. Get a little shiny. Got to mix it in really well. Get out all the milk powder. Completely absorb in the batter here. Okay, see, it's starting to go away from the edges. It's almost ready. You want to cook it long enough, but not too long. I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to get a little sheen in it too, and that's what we want. Especially like right there. Almost ready. Okay, ready for our pan. I don't have the perfect square pan. I don't know what happened. See how that just all falls out? Another way you know it's ready. Oh. You want to get this as even as possible. Okay, it's pretty good. Now, we want half of our sweetened condensed milk. Okay. And chocolate chip and sweetened condensed milk in for 90 seconds. Okay, so it's starting to melt. Mix it up here. Get in there. Just going to give it another 15 seconds. Now you want to work pretty quick with this because it can thicken really fast. On our chocolate layer. Now, if you wanted to, at this stage, you could put some nuts in the top. Try not to. There we have it. Now we have the hard part. We have to wait at least an hour to bring to room temperature.
I ended up leaving this on the counter all night long. Let's score it here. Not too even. And the first piece is always the hardest to get out. There it goes. There. Okay, doesn't that look good?
Okay, now for the taste test. Pretty smooth bottom. A lot of chocolate top. My husband will love this because it's very, very chocolatey. I prefer the peanut butter. Now, this isn't quite perfect. I think I might have cooked it just slightly too long. It's just a little bit more, it's not completely creamy like it should be, but it's also not like a cookie. So it's just slightly chewy. But it's very, very good. I think your family will love it. And it's so fast and easy to make. So look around your pantry. What do you got that you can make a great holiday treat? As always, print out the recipe, put it in your recipe binder, and always join us for the first Tuesday of the month when we all show you a new shelf-stable recipe. As always, please subscribe and share the knowledge. Thank you.